Hello, today is May 26th. I'm going to do a quick video of the Miracraft Striker XL. We'll start up here at the bow with the trolling motor that was new last year. It's a 45-pounder. See, it moves. Oh. Let's hit the trailer. Go there. Front has a deep cycle battery. Forward fishing chair. It's got the large live well. There's a couple anchors in there for you. 12-gallon gas tank. We've got the Yamaha 54-stroke that's running. Lowrance fish graph. That's working well. Stereo with the auxiliary. And that's a removable face. Here's your bilge pump, live well pump, and your front and rear lights. Shut the video up. Got a couple of poles for the cover. Battery's in great shape. Has a new fuel line. Floor is great. Let's drop it in gear. Neutral. And reverse. Oil is fresh in the motor, and the lower unit gear oil is fresh as well. It was serviced this year. Shut her down. Restart. Pumps water great. And there you have it, the 2000 Miracraft Striker XL.